We are based in Syed Toy 8 at the Gardens Mall. And with a lot of friends and with a lot of artist friends and influencers friends are here with us today. Tzuka, it's basically very focused on coffees. We have pastries, of course we have also some very very nice cakes and also desserts. Please stay in touch with us via www.tzuka.co or visit us on our IG, on Facebook. We hope to see you guys soon. Thank you.
Tutti is a music school and we offer numerous musical instrument courses such as piano, drum, guitar, electric guitar, ukulele, bass, and also music production and vocal. We also offer style programs such as You Can Sing, where people can experience singing in a recorded environment. Within an hour, you can have your video and you can actually use it to post to social media or something like that.
We are a place for music people, by music people, and we want you to come and play together with us. We have jamming sessions, we have open mics, you even can come here to buzz with us. And the more exciting thing is, we have a recording studio. If you want to make your MV, come and play with us.